Namaste. Once you've made yourself comfortable, you're welcome to gently close your eyes and take 3 deep, full, nourishing breaths in through your nostrils and out from your mouth. You're also welcome to place one hand on your heart center and the other on your belly. As we journey through the body, feeling each energy center as a vibration of color. To start with, bring your awareness to the base of your spine and imagine a deep ruby red pulsating. This color represents the root chakra, the Muladhara chakra, and represents safety, stability, and a sense of belonging. As you keep your awareness on the base of your spine, you're welcome to whisper to yourself, I am safe. I am rooted. Gently bring your awareness to just below the navel, to where the sacral chakra, the Swadhisthana chakra, resides. And imagine an amber orange, like the warmth of the sun, glowing and pulsating. The Swadhisthana chakra represents your creativity, flow, and pleasure. Take a deep, full, nourishing breath in and out and whisper to yourself, I am alive with joy. From your sacral chakra, gently bring your awareness to your belly, to the solar plexus region. And imagine a bright, steady golden color, pulsating and permeating your entire being. The Manipura chakra represents confidence, strength, and will. You're welcome to reaffirm in your mind, I am strong and I am free. From the Manipura chakra, gently bring your awareness now to your heart center. And imagine breathing in a deep, rich, emerald color. The Anahata chakra represents love, compassion, and healing. And as you breathe in, imagine breathing this healing energy into your body, and sending it to all parts that may be needed. Wherever there may be a little bit of soreness, tightness, or tension. Perhaps even a little bit of tiredness. And you're welcome to whisper, I am open to love. I am love. From this place of love, move your awareness up towards your throat. And imagine a river of turquoise blue. The throat chakra, known as the Vishuddha chakra, can be a very powerful energy center, for it represents truth, expression, and clarity. How we communicate both to ourselves and to others. I invite you to whisper, I speak with peace. I speak with honesty. I speak with peaceful honesty. Gently bring your awareness to the space between your eyebrows. This energy center, the Ajna or Agnya chakra, represents wisdom, intuition, and vision. I invite you to visualize a deep indigo color, as deep as twilight. And you're welcome to whisper, I see clearly within and beyond. And then finally, move your awareness up to the crown of your head, the top of your head, and visualize a radiant white light, the crown chakra, also known as the Sahasrara chakra, which represents purity, union, and a connection with the universe. I invite you to whisper, I am one with all, and feel that vibration ripple out into the universe. Take a deep breath in and out and see the rainbow within you from root to crown. A full spectrum of light. And I invite you to carry this light into your life. So before we end today's meditation, I'd like to invite you to set an intention as to what steps one may need to take to ensure that this light always glows and stays radiant. Namaste.